All right, it's a suicide prevention hotline and mental health crisis hotline as well. Tennessee is looking to expand the reach of the 988 mental health crisis line. The state did see a big jump in the number of calls. This was after the national rollout of the Streamline 988 service. If you're looking for mental health assistance, you can also text that number and chat with providers around the state.
Because the way in which we've been able to market this, and I believe the experience that Tennesseans have had when they reach out, makes it easier for them to pick up the phone and call 988, because it really is to meet them upstream where they are, and really been able to allow them to define their own crisis, irregardless of historically what folks have had that perception to be. And then again, I think through our data that we've seen for the first 6 months, a large majority of our individuals reaching out just needing consultation, which is great.
So beyond the numbers, the Department of Mental Health and Substance Abuse Services has other ways to gauge the success of the 988 service.
Reduction in involvement of law enforcement, pre and post 988, because we do know that a lot of times when an individual's in a mental health crisis, they go to the ER, especially in communities where there's not a lot of resources. They call 911 and law enforcement. So we look to compare data and data share across the country around things like reduction in law enforcement involvement, reduction in ER presentations, because again, this service really is meant to provide the right service in the appropriate place.
So improving mental health response has been a priority for both Metro Police and other law enforcement agencies around Middle Tennessee. If you're in need of mental health assistance, you can reach out anytime. And it's just so simple. 988 on your phone.